So if you are having trouble getting into a Google assignment, it says you don't have access. It is probably because you're not signed into your Google account for school. So here's my suggestion. When you go to Rapid ID to log on to Canvas, first click Google Drive. It's down on my screen, it's down here. Somewhere on your page, you should have a Google Drive button. Click that. It's going to open your Google Drive. Make sure up here it's your school account. So first 5 of your last name, your lunch number, at student.aisd.net. If it's not, and it's your personal account, again, it's going to be the first 5 of your last name, your lunch number at student.aisd.net, and then next, your password's the password you made up, and that will log you into your Google account. When you do that, then go back to Canvas and try that assignment again. Click into your course, or if your dashboard looks like this, you can still click into your course, but my suggestion is change this to card view. Then you can put these classes in period order, so first period, second period, third period, and then you click on the class and it takes you to the home page. It's much easier to see all your assignments for that day in card view because you have to go into your class. So then when you go to the graphic organizer for today, it's going to say load in a new window, and when you open it, it's going to link to your school account here, and you'll be able to pull this up and also submit it. You should have a submit button up here in the corner. Try this. I think this is how it has to work for Google Cloud assignments. Let me know if you need any other help.